Hi, my name is Becky Renfro, and I've been coming to Bridge Chiropractic for close to a year now. And I can say when I first came, I wasn't really having a lot of pain, but I had very bad posture and I had a big lump back here and my head was kind of going the wrong direction. After seeing my x-rays, I saw that my neck was actually curving this way instead of this way, how it's supposed to be. And after my last couple of exams, well, even after the first one that was about 3 months into it, my neck had finally started turning the right direction. It had moved about 8 degrees already. And now it's curving in the correct direction, and every time I have my checkup, I've found out that it's moved even more. So we're going in the right way. I'm feeling great. And here are my little boys who have been coming in also for this last year, and they're feeling great. Their spines are straightening out, their shoulders are leveling out, and they're sleeping well at night also. So thank you, Dr. Paul and Bridge Chiropractic and your staff. We love you.